Yeah. Elle veut danser, elle veut bouger, yeah. Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twice.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm just going to show you how to achieve a very beautiful, gorgeous red lip. This is the 9th day of my 100 days of YouTube videos, so I really appreciate it if you leave a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and please also leave a comment letting me know what you think about this lip, if you would rock it or not. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Let them know who got the crown, girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it.